previous class we discussed about the degree of the polynomial, value of the polynomial and zero of the polynomial. Yes, no? And also finding the remainder theorem. We are finding the remainder by using the remainder theorem. What is the remainder theorem? P of x is any integral function of x. If it is divided by x minus a, the remainder is P of a. That is nothing but the remainder theorem. And also we are going to learn about the division of a polynomial with another polynomial. Division of a polynomial with another polynomial by using actual division. By using the actual division. In previous class we discussed about that. Now today we are going to do some problems on actual division and remainder theorem. Now fifth one, exercise 2.3, fifth question. If the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x plus x 3x minus 5, that is 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leaves the same remainder. Leave the same remainder. Same remainder when divided by same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Find the value of a. By using the remainder theorem, now given two polynomials, one is assumed as p of x and another one is assumed as q of x. Okay, now it is a p of x and it is q of x. But when this p of x and q of x is divided by x minus 2, x minus 2. The remainders are equal. What is that? Leaves the same remainder. Same remainder means remainders are equal. Remainders are equal. Let p of x is equals to 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and q of x is equals to x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a are divided by x minus 2. X minus 2. To use the remainder theorem, first we have to find the zero of the divisor. Divided by x minus 2 means this x minus 2 becomes as the divisor. In actual division we have a statement dividend is equals to division rule. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. According to that, this becomes divisor. Yes, ma'am. For this we have to find the zero. Zero of this divisor. So 0 of x minus 2 becomes x minus 2 is equals to 0. X minus 2 is equals to 0. Now it becomes x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2. When p of x and q of x are divided by x minus 2, the remainders are as per remainder theorem. What it becomes? Remainders are p of 2 and q of 2. X value how much you are getting? So p of 2 and q of 2 are equal. Are same means equal only. That is nothing but P of 2 is equals to Q of 2. P of 2 is equals to Q of 2. P of 2 means we have to find the value of the polynomial. In first exercise we did value of the polynomial and 0 of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial is nothing but in place of the variable we are going to substitute the given number. Now P of 2 means in place of x in the P of x. X in the P of x we have to substitute 2. Now P of 2 becomes 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5. That is equals to Q of 2. Q of 2 means in Q polynomial we have to substitute in place of x 2 you should substitute. So Q of 2 is equals to 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a. Only a, not 2a. If it is ax, then 2a. But only a given. Plus a. Now write 2 into 2 cube. 2 cube value is how much? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Plus a into 2 square 4. 2 square means 2 into 2 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 5. That is equals to 2 cube. Just now I said 8 plus 2 square 4 minus 4 into 2 8 plus a. Now 2 8s are 16 plus 4 into a 4a plus 6 minus 5 is value is how much? 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now 8 plus 8. Plus 8 this is minus 8. The value becomes 0. So it remains 4. 4 plus 8. Now we have to transpose. 16 plus 1 is 17. 16 plus 1 is 17 plus 4a, that is equals to 4 plus a. By taking transposing variables one side and a constant another side. So this a should be sent to left side and the 17 should send the right side. Now it becomes how much, man? 4a minus a. Left side we are sending the left side. This right side a will be sending left side. Here plus a. So if you transpose it becomes minus a. It becomes minus a. With right side what number you have already? 4. You have already 4. Now 17 will be transposed from left to right. If you transpose from left to right, what symbol it contains? Before the 17, no symbol means it contains plus. It contains plus. So plus 17 is sending outside. It becomes minus 17. When we are transposing, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes division, division becomes multiplication. Keep in mind always. Now 4a minus a is 3a. 4 minus 17. We should subtract. Opposite symbols. It contains plus, it contains minus. Subtraction. If both are same symbol, we should add. But here, different symbols it contains. So, 4 minus 17. How much? Minus 13. So, a is equals to minus 13 by 3, not a. 3 is transposing, not a transpose. We are going to find a only. Again, why you are getting by a? Okay, now we are finding a value, so 3 should send out. It becomes 13 by minus 13 by 3. Therefore, a is minus 13 by 3. You got the value of a or not? Yes or no? In the same manner, sixth question of the same given. Here no need of, here also two polynomials given. One is p of x we have to assume. If the polynomial x cube plus ax square plus 5 and x cube minus 2x square plus a are divided by x plus 2 leave the same remainder, find the value of a. Same process. In place of p of x, we should take x cube plus ax square plus 5. In q of x, we should take x cube minus 2x square plus a divided by x plus 2. X plus 2. So 0 of x plus 2 you have to find in the next question. In place of x plus 2, that is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 2 it becomes. Here x minus 2, that's why we are getting plus 2. But in the next question, x plus 2 given. So 0 of x plus 2 is x plus 2 is equals to 0. X is minus 2. In place of x, we have to substitute minus 2 and proceed in the same process. Proceed in the same process. Okay, now we are getting the a value there also. Now next 7. Before going to 7, first copy. Before x power 4 minus 2x square plus 4 is divided by g of x is equals to x minus 2 and verify the result. For this problem, we have to find the remainder as per remainder theorem and then by the actual division. Both the remainders getting the same or any difference will get it. You have to check. First, let p of x is equals to given expression is what? X power 4 minus 3 x square plus 4 is divided by g of x, that is g of x is how much? X minus 2. Yes, now. Now 0 of x minus 2, 0 of g of x is x minus 2 is equals to 0, which implies x is equals to 2. Then p of x is divided by g of x, then remainder is how much? Remainder is p of 2. Now we should find the p of 2 only. P of 2 is how much? Where x exists, we have to write 2. So p of x is how much? X power 4. That means 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 square plus 4. 2 power 4 means how much? 2 into 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So it becomes 16 minus 3 into 2 square is 4 plus again 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. This minus 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 20 minus 12? 8. So remainder is 8. Remainder is 8. Now go through the actual division. What is the actual division? P of x is divided by which one? G of x. Yes, na? Which implies, as per the actual division, generally in what way we are doing division? You have to follow that only. Here x minus 2 in place of divisor, and next write the dividend. X power 4 minus 3x square, but in the general division after x power 4 we should write x cube term. But here the x cube term not given as per standard forms. So 0x cube. 0x cube. How many zeros here? 0. Sorry, how many x cube terms are there? Only 0. No term. That's why 0x cube. 0 into x cube, again we are getting 0 only. Minus 3x square. Next will be x term plus 0x plus 0x. If which term is not exist, further 0 right. Next plus 4. In this, here first variable is what? X. Here x power 4. X power 4 will be divided by x. X power 4 means x will be repeats 4 times. X into x by x. 1x, x get cancelled. What remains? X into x. X cube, not 3x. X into x cube. Repeated multiplication is nothing but exponent. In 8th class we learned. Yes, na? So x into x cube. That should be right in the quotient part. Now with this quotient, multiply the divisor. X cube into x power 4. Next, x cube into minus 2, minus 2x cube. For this purpose, I wrote 0x cube. Without 0x cube term, where should we write the x cube term in the division? You are getting some confusion now. That's why we should write which term is not given. In that place, 0 keep and write in order, descending order, exponents. Okay, na? Now, do the subtraction. Generally, what we have to do in the division? Subtraction of now subtract. When we subtracting, this minus becomes plus. Your plus symbol becomes minus. X power 4 minus x power 4 is 0. The value becomes 0. Here 0x cube plus 2x cube. 2x cube only. Here x cube term as it is. Don't write x cube plus x power 6. Don't confuse. That's wrong. X cube plus x cube is not x power 6. Before the x cube, what coefficients are there? That should be added. Okay, na? 5 rupee plus 5 rupees, 10 rupee. Not 10 rupees square. Okay, na? Here also x cube. That is a common term. So before what numbers are exist, that should be add and write. Next term is what? Minus 3x square. In general division also next digit is taking down now. So here next term is taken. Now here first term is 2x cube. Again in the divisor x. Each and every term you should divide the first term of polynomial with divisor first term. When we are doing the division, first term must and should be cancelled. The value becomes 0, must. That is the rule of division here. Now 2x cube. 2x cube by x. 2x cube means 2 into x into x. Again by x. X get cancelled. 2 into x, 2x square. 2x square. Now in the quotient write the plus 2x square. Plus 2x square. With this plus 2x square again multiply the divisor. 2x square into x. 2x cube. 2x square into x. 2x cube. In the same way 2x square into minus 2. 2x square into minus 2. What we are getting? Minus 2 2s are 4. X square as it is variable. Now again subtraction. When we are subtracting, symbols are changed. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. 2x cube minus 2x cube is 0. Now next, minus 3x cube, so 3x square plus 4x square. X square as it is. Minus 3 plus 4, how much? Minus 3 plus 4. Different symbols. We should do subtraction. How much? 1. 1 exponent, if you write or not, nothing will happen. If we didn't write this, Before that 1 is there. 1x square plus 0x. Yes, na? 0x. Now x square is divided by x. X square divided by x. X square means x into x by x. 1x will be cancelled. It remains x. So that should be right in the quotient. X into x, x square plus into minus x into 2x. Again subtraction. Symbols are changed. X square it cancels. That means 0. 0x 2x. That is 2x only. Plus 4. Again with the first term is 2x. Divide the first term is x. So x get cancelled. It remains 2. Now write the 2 in quotient. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. 2 to the 4 plus into minus. That's why minus 4. In subtraction the symbols will be changed. Okay, opposite symbol we are getting. 2x minus 2x, that is 0, plus 4 plus 4. 8. What is the remainder? 8. In actual division also we are getting 8. As per the remainder theorem also we are getting 8. Isn't it or not? Understood?